they say lightning doesn't strike twice. And if you see my last video here where I went to Savers and found an amazing assortment of tools for like 40, 50 bucks, you might not think that ever happened again. And honestly, didn't think it would happen myself. But today I got really lucky. And to give some preface here, I have been to Savers for the last month and a half, almost twice a week, trying to find deals and haven't found anything. So don't think that if you go to your local Goodwill or Savers or whatever you have near you, that local thrift shop, that you'll find stuff, because it's the hunt. It takes time and patience. But today I think I scored big. So I want to draw your attention to these three highlighted things. You can see I bought something for $3, $5, and $9. But I had a 50% off, so I ended up spending $150, $250, and $450 for the three things I'm about to show you. So for $850, let me show you what I found at Savers today. This might not look like much, right? Just a bag, just a Milwaukee bag. And honestly, when I usually see stuff like this, especially with a price tag of that value, I say, don't even open it. There's nothing in there. They're just selling an overpriced bag. But I decided to open it up, and this is what I saw. I was really excited. So here we have an M12 drill, an older model. Let me see if we can find the model number. So we have this old drill, which does work. The chuck works. The collet works. We have a battery, which I was really excited about, because usually you either get the charger or the battery or just the tool, but not all three. So I plugged it in, and there is power, but it looks like either the battery was low or there's maybe something wrong with the battery. And of course a charger. So when I got home, the first thing I did was plug in the charger. The charger does work. I'll show you here what that looked like. But when I plugged in the battery to the charger, unfortunately, this is what I saw. So it looks like there's something wrong with the battery. I'm gonna do a little bit of research to see if I can get this fixed, get this figured out, but it might not be much luck. But that's all right, because now I'm already in the Milwaukee line, essentially for $4.50. So thank you, Ozzy or Darlene or whoever owned this bag. You just made my day. So got a charger here, battery, and a drill. And then here are some other little exciting things that came with it. We got some washers here, some anchors, some screws, a bit. And then even here, it looks like in the pouch, we have the warranty. Definitely an old tool. And then here are the owner's manuals for the drill and the charger. So pretty exciting stuff. And then some extra bits. So for $4.50, I got a whole thing of tools, power tools, and this screwdriver. That's pretty cool in my opinion. So that was my first little treasure I found. Honestly, not expecting that. The next thing I found was this wrench, which if you don't know what this is for use on shower fixtures to get the cartridges out. So what you can do is you put a little rod in here, or I guess in this case a screwdriver, and open or tighten or loosen with these two ends. As you can see here, it's a Husky. We have a 29/32 size and then a 31/32 size. And this thing was in its container, so it was brand new in its packaging. And these things run like $6 or $7, and I got this for $1.50. So I don't need it necessarily yet, but for $1.50 brand new, I couldn't pass that up. The next thing I bought, so if you remember, there's three things that I wanted to show you. I got this, another charger for the Milwaukee M12 line. And I just was blown away by how nice it looked. I mean, it looks like it's barely used. So thank you, Sperry, because you just helped me get this charger for $1.50. So, and of course this one works as well. I'll show you that. But I was excited. I was very excited to find all of these things just for the crazy price of $8.50. So I don't know, maybe I'm just getting too crazy here with all my tools, but again, it's all about the hunt, right? This is the fun part about it, is being able to find stuff, being able to grow your collection and save some money. Because I mean, if we can get this working, I mean, the drill, the charger, and the battery itself is $100 plus. So for $450, I say it's worth looking into and taking that gamble. So Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. I really appreciate you watching. Again, if you like these videos, let me know by liking and subscribing. That really helps me to know if I'm, posting things that are worthwhile and enjoyable to you, and hopefully teaching you things about the process and about tools. So again, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next video.